Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I am going to show you how to create this composition notebook college ruled paper in Canva. You can see here I have created 100 pages of this college ruled paper inside Canva, and it is very easy to create once you understand the measurements and the line to line distance. Before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. In my previous video I have talked about creating covers for composition notebooks, and on comment section someone commented that it would be good to create a composition notebook within Canva. So on this comment I am creating this video about creating this lined paper or college ruled paper, that is also known as composition notebook college rule. So before creating this, you need to understand dimensions. The dimensions for this page is 8.5 into 11 with bleed, and when this is with bleed, its size would be 8.625 into 11.25. We already know when there is a bleed, then we need to add 0.125 inches toward the width and 0.25 inches toward the overall height of the page. So this page is 8.625 into 11.25 inches. So now we have dimensions for our interior. Now we need to know the distance between these two lines. For a college ruled paper, the line to line distance is college ruled paper has 9/32 inches. This is 9/32 inches spacing between horizontal lines, which means 9 divided by 32. 9 divided by 32. It equals 0.28125 inches. So now we have a page of 8.625 into 11.25. Now we know the height of this page is 11.25. So toward the top I am leaving a margin of 1 inch, and toward the bottom from the last line I am leaving a margin of 0.25 inches. So to do that, just go to File and enable rulers. So we now have enabled rulers, and once we zoom in we can see the margin. Just click here and drag a line and you will see this is almost at 1 inch or less than 1 inch space toward the top. And once you move this ruler toward the bottom to have a margin toward the bottom, okay, let me move this page toward the top. So here, and then zoom in. Okay, so we will place it. You will need to pay attention to this ruler here and place it at 11 inches, exactly 11 inches here, and this would be our margin from the bottom and 1 inch, almost 1 inch toward the top. So now we have left with page of, let me calculate this. Our page height was 11.25. so we subtracted the margin toward the top of 1 inch. Now we are 10.25, and then the margin toward the bottom is minus 0.25. So now the space we left for these lines is 10 inch only, and we know that line to line distance is 0.28125. so we need to have total number of lines that we can fit in this 10 inch area. To do that, I have divided 10 with this line to line distance. So let me do this again in front of you. 10 is our safe area where we will be placing our lines, divided by 0.28125. So now we can fit 35 lines, not 36, 35 lines we can fit in this area. that would be a college ruled paper. Line to line distance would be 0.28 inches, above 0.28 inches. So I have a way around to do this quickly, and I am going to show you how to do this. Firstly, enable this grid view, and I am getting rid of all these pages. So click here on the second page, hold shift from your keyboard and click the last page. This is the 100th page, and hit delete from your keyboard. So now these pages have been deleted and we are left with our single page, and I am disabling this grid view, and we have now left with this one page only. For some reason it is not showing the lines, so just create a new page here and delete the first one. So this is our blank page, and we know the margins. Just grab a margin here and place it at 0.862. Now go to the file and enable show margins. So you need to place the top margin toward here. This is the margin line created by Canva. So this is our top margin and this is our bottom margin at 0.25 inches from the bottom. Now we need to place a line here first toward the top and the second line here toward the bottom, and then we will fit in next 33 lines. We need to create 35 lines. So hit L from your keyboard and it will add a line. This is very thick line. Just click on this line and go to weight and reduce the weight to only 1. Now enlarge or increase the size of this line to fit the width of this page, and here just once it touches the line it shows an indicator that it is exactly as the same as the width of the page. Now just drag this line toward the top like this and place it exactly here. Now just increase its size or place it right on the page. Now you need to remove this margin, and now just duplicate this line, Ctrl+D, and move this second line toward the bottom of the page. This is the quickest way I am going to show you how to add these 35 lines, and all on line to line distance with 0.28 inches. Just place above this margin like this. Just move it here. Now we have added 2 lines. Ctrl+A, go to position and already centered. Now we have added 2 lines out of 35. Now we are going to add our 33 lines to make a whole college ruled paper. Just click the first line and duplicate it 33 times. Just hit Ctrl+D 33 times. So I am pressing Ctrl+D. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33. So we have now 35 lines. These are not properly arranged, and the next step is to arrange them to keep the line to line distance and alignment. Ctrl+A from your keyboard, go to position, click center, go here and click on space evenly and click on vertically. Now the line to line distance has been placed at 0.28125 inches. Now you can group them and then go to again position and hit center again. Now you can see this is perfect college ruled paper. Okay, now just view our page. This is simple line journal. Now we need to convert this into a college ruled composition notebook. So we need to add a line here. So just go to file and disable margins And now hit L from your keyboard to add another line, and just move this line, place this line vertically like this at 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Now increase its size, okay, toward the top here, and now here. So now go to the weight and reduce the weight to 1 only. Now the next main thing is to place it at proper margin. Just see the line here, little line is appearing once we click here. Just move this at, just zoom in, just place it at 1, 2, 3 spaces toward the 1 inch. This is above, this is almost at 1.25 inches or 1.3 inches. This is our left page, the page on the left side of the notebook. Now we need to create the right hand side page. Just duplicate this page and move to the second page, zoom in, and just change this margin, this one, just move it at here, slightly above 1 inch. Okay, now we have created our 2 pages, and we can see this in the presentation mode. This is our left page and this is our right page. Now we have created 2 pages, and all we need to do is duplicate them 50 times to create a 100-page book. Just go to grid view option, Ctrl+A, then duplicate this. Now 4, again duplicate 6 pages, 8 and 10. Now Ctrl+A, 10 pages are selected, Ctrl+D, this is 20 pages. Now Ctrl+A, 20 pages has been selected. Now duplicate these pages 5 times, Ctrl+D, 40, 60, 80 and 100. Let's see how many pages are there. 100 pages. So this is how you can create college ruled composition notebook pages within Canva. You can see every page is with a margin and alternate margins. So this is how you can easily create composition notebook within Canva. Just you can go to download and download it as print, PDF print, and hit download. If you need extra pages, then you can use some sort of PDF merger and PDF splitter to create 10 extra pages, or you can duplicate this design and create 20 extra pages. So Canva doesn't allow you to create more than 100 pages. So this is how the line to line distance is 0.28125 inches, and total we can create 35 lines. You can create 36, but 35 is fine. And our safe area is 10 inches only on a page of 8.625 into 11.25 inches. I hope you will love this video. If you do, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon, and do give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.